how to buy a domain on GoDaddy step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about buying a domain on GoDaddy in the easiest way possible, so let's get straight into it. Now to start things off, you're going to come over to GoDaddy.com, and once you're over here, basically you're going to go into find your perfect domain. So you're just going to add in, whatever domain name you want to. So let's say I'm going to go with, let's go with something that I'm interested in, okay? You can write that. Let's say this is the website domain name I want to go with. So once we do this, here you can see it says, you can get these domains for this much. And obviously it's the first year is pretty much free. So you can buy it pretty much for free in the first year if you want to. So getting this domain is really simple, and you can go with any domain that you want. So let's say I have this domain. So I'm going to add this domain to my cart, okay? So let me just delete the previous domains that I've added real quick, okay? Now, once you've added this domain, you're going to click on continue to cart. And once you click on continue to cart, basically, it's going to take you to the whole payment settings. Now, obviously, it gives you these plans as well. You can obviously stay on the 1-year plan if you want to. So with the taxes, obviously, it's going to give you the 3,500 in my currency, which should be around something like $12, $15 or something like that. So yeah, once you've added this, you're going to click on I'm ready to pay. You're going to add in your billing details with all the essential things. Once you do that, make sure to check your items, make sure everything is good to go. Add your first name, last name, your tax ID for correct tax calculation. And I'm just going to go ahead and add all of these things. And then once you do that, it brings you to your payment method. So you're just going to go ahead and add your payment method, whatever credit card that you want to use. And once you do that, you're going to finally click on review order. And once the payment goes through, it's going to send you your domain in the most easiest, simplest way possible. So yeah, that is how you're going to buy a domain in GoDaddy in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.